Welcome to the Professional French Language Program, offering A1 to B2 levels. This program provides academic and professional French skills aligned with CEFR standards for global opportunities. The A2 elementary progression is a 90-hour, 3-month course. It focuses on past events, daily routines, and future plans, introducing grammar like passé composé and reflexive verbs. You will learn vocabulary related to travel, shopping, housing, and health, preparing you to communicate in routine tasks and describe past experiences. Level B1 Intermediate aims to prepare you to deal with most situations while traveling or working in French-speaking environments. The modules cover advanced grammar, professional communication, and academic and debate skills, including mock interviews, group discussions, and essay writing. The B1 Intermediate Professional course is 120 hours over 4 months. Grammar focuses on the subjunctive mode and conditional present. Vocabulary covers corporate and recruitment terminology, media, and finance. Key assessments include a CV and cover letter, an argumentative essay, and a final presentation and mock interview. Upon completion, you can work independently and express opinions in French environments. Level B2 Upper Intermediate is designed to help you understand complex texts and interact fluently with native speakers. Modules cover grammar mastery, professional and academic fluency, and DELF preparation. Practical activities include weekly debates, research presentations, and case study discussions. The B2 Upper Intermediate Mastery course is 120 hours over 4 months, covering subjunctive and passive voice mastery, along with advanced logical connectors. Professional vocabulary delves into business, academic, and current affairs terms. Key assessments include a research presentation, written production, and a full mock DELF B2 exam. Graduates will be eligible for university in France and corporate roles. Our methodology follows the IIT model, with 40% theory and 60% practical application. Key components include language lab sessions, monthly speaking tests, cultural immersion, and weekly assessments. The assessment structure ensures a balanced evaluation across all 4 linguistic skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing, each weighted at 25%. The program covers 4 levels: beginner A1, elementary A2, intermediate B1, and upper intermediate B2. The duration ranges from 3 to 4 months per level, totaling 90 or 120 hours. We offer a cohort-based, CEFR-aligned program aiming for professional fluency. The program focuses on both academic and professional French, preparing you for global mobility. Key areas include study abroad preparation, corporate communication, and immigration preparation. Additionally, we focus on international job opportunities and DELF exam preparation. Our learning pathway is structured across 4 levels: A1 Beginner, A2 Elementary, B1 Intermediate, and B2 Upper Intermediate. Each level is dedicated to specific grammar, vocabulary, and competencies, preparing you comprehensively for professional fluency. Level A1 Beginner aims for understanding and using basic, everyday expressions. Modules cover French introduction, basic grammar, and daily conversation. Practical activities include speaking drills, role play, listening, and vocabulary practice. Outcomes include introducing yourself and handling basic survival interactions. The A1 detailed course content is spread over 12 weeks, covering foundational grammar, vocabulary, and communication functions. Key assessments include an oral intro test, a midterm written exam, and a final role-play simulation. Level A2, Elementary, focuses on communication in routine tasks requiring simple exchange. Modules include expanded grammar, functional communication, and reading and writing. Practical activities feature weekly conversation, listening tests, email writing, and more. Outcomes cover describing